Hello and welcome to Q's Corner. So I've been away for a little while. I just been preparing some things, got some things that we're doing, but I'm back. So first, I wanted to start off with um my Patreon page. Um, so it's Crafty with etc. So I'll be doing tutorials and all, and it's different. I have different tiers that you can sign up for and things like that. So just let me, you know, or with these, all the tiers have a benefit. So just want to kind of put that out there as well if you want to learn more than what we'll be doing here. But outside of that, let's start a little bit of Cricut tutorial. Um, so basically, this is how you see your blank canvas, and all right. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so let's see. This is the templates, which like if you have correct access to anything like that, you can. Um, but the templates is for like different things they have on it. So if you click on the templates, you can do an apron, backpack. So you can click on any of the templates and add it to your page, to help you design something. I really don't use the templates too much because I don't really have a need for it. I kind of learned the Cricut on my own, but this is for anybody who like if you want to, design, use the, nurse's cover or maternity shirt or shirt and put some words on it, stuff like that. The projects are everything that comes on the Cricut. Um, some of these are free, depending on what you have. You can do the Cricut Access. This is the categories of the different things that you can do. This is for the free Cricut items that you have. So you click which Cricut you have, and these items are free. And then they also have images. That's basically what you have on your computer. Nope, my bad. These images that you where is mine? Oh, I know where my stuff at. But anyways, these are stuff that you can purchase. So there's several different things that you can purchase on here. Oh, that's cute. Um, these are cute as well. Let's see, there's different things that they have. And then this is the text box, so you can pick in. So let's say if I want to do, I want to say hello. Oh, I don't know why my computer was so slow. Very, very unlike it. Alright, so what did my computer just do? Something just messed up. Alright, I'm gonna refresh this real quick. I don't know where my sidebar went at. Anyways, let's do that again. Why am I can't say today. Alright, so we got hello over here. And let's say if I wanted to, these are different shapes. So I'll show you what to do with the shape. Um, I wanted to use a square. Square, let's go over here to change the color. Let's do red. And if I wanted the hello to come already, even though I can change the color myself, you can highlight both, slice it, boom. And when that cuts out, it's gonna cut out the hello as well. So that'll be going out the middle. Easy, easy. Ooh, you can do all kind of things. That let's just play around with it. You can do so many things with this. Let's flatten it. Let's see what else we can do. Let's uploads is all the things that you have on your computer. So let's upload not on your computer, on your Cricut. I don't know why I keep saying computer. What is going on with me in this computer? Let's upload this. Let's go get a shade. And let's say if I wanted to put this on a shirt or something, put that to be. Now, another thing about Cricut is that you keep expanding this like that. Okay. Actually, unlock and voila. Make it as big, short, tall, and what? And let's use it. We don't need these anymore. Let's go ahead and make sure you start from here. Highlight, slice this. You know, that's about it. It's a little uneven, but we just playing around. Let's see if I wanted to keep this and I wanted to change a different color. Can. No, so like you can just do different things. This stuff. Right now, this is on print, so it's gonna print out like that. You can also add patterns, and you can buy patterns from Cricut. Oh, they want to buy any patterns. Oh, look what that did. Change, change it up. Let's go to print. Let's go to pattern. Let's change that. Even though you can't see that. Oh yeah, I get the point. So there's so many different things you can do. Let's try something again. See, I kind of get the hang of this. Go to text. Let's change the font. Now, pay attention because these are access. Then it won't tell you a price in it. These ones are the ones that's free. You can go to the system. It tells you the ones that you have on your computer. This is the one on Cricut only. This is all. I'm gonna just go to system because I like the fonts that I have. And it's fine. And seeing what how you can unlock this, make it as long and wide as you want it. Do whatever you want. Same thing with shapes. Unlock it. Make it as long as wide as you want it. Uh, Now earlier when this was behind it, one that said you can flip this. You can take the spacing. Yeah, you're making them closer together. Change the font. So many different things you can do with this. This is move it back or paint it front. So if it was to the back and plus the box behind it, and you and bam, there you go. That was just a quick little tutorial. I basically get the feel of it. Play around with your Cricut. Play around with Design Space. See all the things you can do. Upload images. You know, if you want to purchase some images on Cricut, let's say have fun with it. Learn your machine. Do what you like to do with it. Oh, another thing, categories. When you go to images, they do have like what's free for the week. So you get they would the free stuff every week is always something different. Mhm. It's just a learning process. Once you learn your Cricut, you'll be surprised at the things that you can do. Quickly before we go, let's say if I wanted to get multiple of these, I just hit duplicate, duplicate. You can, and to delete them, you can either hit this or you can highlight them and hit the delete. I think it's just easier just to click on the red just to get rid of it versus having to come all the way up here and hitting the delete button. Who wants to do all that? And to hide items. I want that to go away because I just want this to print. But let me go ahead and bring that back real quick. But anyways, I'll be doing more tutorials on Cricut and different other tutorials as well. So just stay tuned. Bye.